right down to Lauderdale. The weather's nice.
Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I, baby, you and I.
And here are your boarding cards, which is for on and off the ship, and now you're moving your credit cards.
Okay.
So just have a seat and they'll escort you up shortly.
Excellent. Thank you.
There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living
They're having a view 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright, we're gonna start again. I'll repeat your order for you, sir. Beef and chicken. Yeah, ladies first. To my ex-girlfriend.
Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it. That we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Ah, you go!
Satisfaction.
Satisfaction.
Unless you want to bet.